Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to correctly order an Uber ride for someone else. So, I was talking to a friend the other day who needed to book an Uber for someone else, and it made me realize a lot of people don't actually know how easy it is. So, I opened the app and started like a normal would, tapping the enter pickup location field at the top instead of putting my own location. I just type in where the other person was waiting. In this case, let's say they're at Arby's in Falls Church, Virginia. Once it pops up, that becomes the pickup point the driver will actually go to. Then I added the destination, like Galleria Drive in McLean, and from there, everything feels like a normal Uber ride. You just pick the right type, Uber X, XL, whatever fits the situation, and confirm the booking. The cool part is, you can either pay for it directly or sort it out later with the person. After that, the driver just picks them up and handles the rest like any standard trip. Honestly, it's one of those features that makes helping someone out way less complicated than it used to be. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.